Hello people, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Crystal DIY. So in today's edition, I'll be teaching you how to make body cream. Yes, how to make body cream from the scratch for your skincare. Yes, this is what we are going to learn today. You know there is difference between body cream and body lotion. Are you aware? Body cream is thicker and richer, while body lotion is lighter and more watery. So what I'm going to use now is my oil. I've blended my oil with coconut oil and sunflower. If you have any other oil you can use, if you decide to use PKO oil or palm oil is oil, then you make use of that. So what I'm using now is my e-wax and cetyl alcohol. I mix both together. Both of them are emulsifying wax, kind of. Yes, so that is the two that I'm using. You can decide to use one of them, not adding two of them. Yes, so that is exactly what I'm going to use. Then after that, I'm going to add in my oil. So the reason why I'm adding my emulsifying wax kind of it is used for cream as emulsifier. It helps to blend oils and water-based ingredients together into a stable, smooth mixture, and it prevents separation, improves texture. That is the work of e-wax. So I'm going to dissolve it. I've already dissolved it on heat. I double boiled it and I dissolved it, and this is how it looks. Yes, I've dissolved my e-wax and my cetyl alcohol in with the oil on a heat. So this is how it looks like after dissolving it. Then I'm going to introduce in my water. The water that I'm going to add is not cold water. It is hot or warm water, anyone you want. Yes, it is hot or warm water. Don't add cold water. So after adding that, I'm now going to introduce my blender. If you don't have blender, you can as well make this cream. Are you aware? If you don't have blender, you can make this cream. You can make it with your spatula like this. After dissolving it, after melting it, you will keep it and allow it to stay for a little while. You come back and turn it very well. So this is the hand mixer that I'm using. This one is kind of manual hand mixer. Yes, it's a manual hand mixer. So that is what I'm going to use for this production. So have you see what I'm doing? So in case you don't have this kind of mixer, don't worry. You can still make your cream. It will come out perfectly. If you have this normal manual hand mixer, this one I'm pressing it, kind of I'm pressing it and it's whining, kind of is manual. But like this one that they normally use to beat cake, you can use it to make your cream. What you have to do is to mix it and keep it to stay for a while. You come back and mix it till everything it becomes thicker. Yes, so that is exactly what I'm going to be doing here. So if you don't have a blender, you can still make your cream. So at this point, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification button for you to get notified whenever I drop new video. Like and please share this video. You might share this video to your WhatsApp status. You can share it to any group that you belong to. Someone somehow somewhere might need it. So that is essence of you sharing video. So now I'm going to introduce my glycerin and my preservative. Like I said earlier, what I'm doing is body cream base. This is a normal body cream that anyone can use. Yes. So I'm going to add in my preservative and glycerin, just like I've told you. So after that, I will mix it very, very well. Yes. You know what glycerin does to the skin? Glycerin is a moisturizer. It helps to retain moist to the skin. So that is why I'm adding moisturizer to it. Yes, if you have aloe vera gel, you can as well add it. So the reason why we add preservative to this body cream, you need to add preservative. There is so many preservative in the market. You can make use of Jamal Plus or any one you see. So I've left it for a while and I'm back and I'm still turning it just like I've told you. Yes, we have so many classes in our class. We have so many classes. We have class for bathing soap. We have class for laundry soap production. If you want to venture into soap production and you want to make it as a professional, chat us on the WhatsApp number on the screen so that we can discuss. Yes, if you want to make cream, if you want to venture into skincare formulation, if you want to make your own cream from the scratch, we have class for skincare formulation and all that. So if you have any inquiries to make, you can as well reach us through WhatsApp. Please don't call us on phone, just chat us. I will attend to you. If you chat me on WhatsApp, I will attend to your questions. So this is how I'm going to do it. I will make it, I will turn it and leave it for a while to sit for a while before coming back to it. So I've seen it. So after staying for a while, and this is how it is. So I'm going to turn it once again. After making this cream like this, you can now introduce, depending on what you want to make. If you want to make a brightening cream, you can as well introduce other ingredients. In this channel, just like, subscribe to this channel because I'm going to drop so many videos for extra white things you add in your cream for if you want to brighten your skin. This cream is just for a base, kind of a cream base that you can add other ingredients depending on what you are looking for. But this cream is a moisturize. It will moisturize your skin and keep it supple, and it will glow. Kind of, is good for your baby skin and all that. But if you want a skin that will give you that brightening effect and all that, yes, you have to add your brightening ingredients like alpha butene, glutathione. There is so many of them depending on the one you want to add. Do you understand? Yes, this one is a cream. So this is our cream. So, should in case after making your cream and you found out that it's too thick and you want to add extra water to it, try as much as possible to add hot water. Don't add cold water. So have you seen it? Taram is very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. So you can make this if you've make it, drop your comment in the comment section. Please like this video, give it a thumbs up if you like what you are doing. Share this video, subscribe to our channel. It's a way of encouraging us to do more videos for you guys. It's not easy buying ingredients